There's nothing more American than getting behind the wheel. But none of it works without the people who keep us moving. I'm Kevin Linger, and this is NAPA Auto Pros on the Road, where we're visiting 100 NAPA Auto Care centers and auto parts stores across the country to celebrate 100 years of NAPA supporting the hardworking pros that keep our communities running. Today, we're in Tinley Park, Illinois, where a husband and wife team is blending decades of experience with a passion for the future and mentoring the next generation through the NAPA Apprenticeship Program. This is Tinley Auto Repair. Let's go check out their story.
Good morning. Welcome to Tinley Auto Repair.
Hi.
I'm Chris.
I'm Tammy. We're the owners of Tinley Auto Repair here in Tinley Park, Illinois.
This is our 55th year in business. We have owned it for about 26 years now. This is our service advisor, Nicole.
Hello. And this is our service manager over here, Jim.
Would you like to see the shop? Small but mighty. We started humble beginnings from a 2-bay gas station and a couple other locations. We've been at this one since 1978.
At the moment, we currently have 2 technicians. We've grown with our employees, the shop culture that we have, I'm so very proud of. We have a wonderful team unit here, so this is definitely a extension of our family. One of the biggest changes that we made when we took over was partnering up with NAPA. We have been a partner with NAPA for over 20 years. We are a NAPA Gold. We've been a NAPA Gold since the program started.
One of the first NAPA Golds in the Chicago area.
Yes.
Part of our success here at Tinley Autos, in part because of all the work that we've done with NAPA and the support of NAPA, not only through their training, but also through just, the painting of the mural was part of the NAPA program as well. And I think that's like a big thing for us here. We're known throughout the area because of the mural, and that's due to the NAPA programs that is available to people in the automotive industry.
Both of our children are out of state. We can look up and find a NAPA Auto Care, hopefully even a Gold, in their area that we can send our kids to. I think it just comes down to people. Some of the most important people are just the drivers and, how they handle coming in and delivering the parts and all of that.
The smiles in the morning from our drivers. It makes my day.
Now, that culture of care and innovation is being passed on to the next generation through the NAPA Apprenticeship Program.
NAPA has their apprenticeship program to help us when we're finding somebody who is wanting to work on cars and they're still in high school, and we've been able to do that 7 times now.
Yes.
We're on our 7th one right now. His name is Sebastian.
My name is Sebastian Bach. I'm a junior in high school, and I work here as a shop assistant / apprentice at Tinley Auto Repair. Growing up, my dad was always working on a lot of cars, and I spent a lot of my childhood kind of being there helping him. The school I go to, Andrew High School, they gave me the contact to Tammy, the owner of this shop. From there, they just gave me an offer to be an apprentice here, and I took it immediately because, it's a great place here.
When he came in and we took him out into the shop, he's like, "Really? I get to go out there?" And it was like a kid in the candy store. He was so excited, and he's thrilled. And soaks up everything that we're offering them.
So we're starting Sebastian, showing him how to do the vehicle health assessments. It's giving the customer full picture of their vehicle.
We're actually telling the customer, here's what you need to do first, here's what you need to do second, third, fourth. So it truly helps our customers because then they can budget for it, they can plan for it.
Fernando has been mentoring me the most. Him and Jordan helped me learn how to replace tires on a vehicle and balance them and whatnot.
It does help with the apprenticeship that we're doing with Sebastian as well, because it gives us that great tool that he can see why we do what we do.
They kind of stressed me the importance of patience. Not worrying too much about getting things done too quickly, but staying efficient. They stressed me the importance of just taking my time with things to make sure I don't make any easily preventable mistakes.
When we sat down and we went through what the program is, how it works, and the fact that we're going to work him up into technician status, and we're going to work to getting him his own toolbox and filling that toolbox with tools, he couldn't be happier.
It's more than just learning how to turn a wrench. It's mentorship, trust, and the kind of support that sets young people up for real careers.
Anything we can do as auto care centers to help shrink the shortage of technicians, I think is awesome. And to be able to find someone like Sebastian who is so hungry, he just wants to learn. So we need to grow that, and we need to continue having NAPA helping us with a program, and the ability to get him tools and keep it going is incredible.
I'm extremely grateful for Tammy and Chris and the opportunity to be a part of the NAPA Apprenticeship Program. I think that sort of education is going to be extremely valuable to me in the future when I do eventually become a full-fledged technician. And again, it's been a great experience, and I'm very excited for this opportunity here.
It all starts with a spark of passion, of opportunity, and of community. As Sebastian begins his journey, Tinley Auto Repair continues theirs, backed by the strength of the NAPA family and a commitment to building what's next.
NAPA know-how!